Hey everybody, welcome back to a strange little episode. Oh, Karen and I right now are in the woods, de-stressing a little bit, picking up some sap, walking in mud, but giving you a little channel update. We're going to take a break from our normal videos because of the Cocobolo virus that's coming around. Since we are full-time teachers, our governor of our state decided to have all the schools canceled for about 2 to 3 weeks. So that means my wife and I, being hands-on teachers, have to now have our classes online. So since we kind of do what we teach, we're going to be making some YouTube videos like we normally do, except they're going to be more directed at our students because our students seem to like our YouTube page. So that's what you're going to be seeing for at least a couple of weeks. We're going to be doing lots of videos, at least we think. Yeah, they're going to be directed at stuff we teach. So my wife, she's going to be doing some videos on painting, pottery, ceramics, sculpture. Not sure what she's doing with 8th grade, 6th grade, middle school, perspective stuff. And I'm going to be doing stuff with woodworking, welding, construction, photography. That's not going to be too bad, but we're going to be figuring it out. We don't have a choice. You're on camera now. So just a little channel update. That's what we're going to be doing. So there'll be lots of videos. We're going to try and keep them entertaining, but at the same time educational.
And
Short.
Because nobody wants to be in front of a computer for 8 hours straight.
That's right.
That's why we're outside.
We're thinking about you kids. Deal a meal.
That's disturbing.
Why? Well, just so you know, that's going to be a little channel update. Stay tuned for more videos. See you later, everybody. Bye. Gloves on. Help me.